Don't make the same mistake we did, or it will cost you some extra cash. But in this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery, including the tools you need and info on the battery size. It's worth mentioning that the Vitara Brezza has a smaller battery with smaller terminals and a bracket over the battery, so we'll do a separate video on that. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. On the positive, lift the cover and loosen the nut on the side here. Then there's a hold down bracket down here at the base of the battery. Just one bolt to loosen it. Clean terminals and battery posts create less resistance, making it easier for electrical current to flow. A steel wire brush, some fine sandpaper, or even steel wool works well. When installing the new battery, push it under this lip at the back and make sure the positive can reach. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. A flat screwdriver opens the clamp to position the terminal as low as possible for a solid connection. Whether you install the positive or the bracket doesn't really matter, just leave the negative for last. But here's the kicker before I share info on this battery. This car has a keyless start system, and without realizing it, both keys, the usual and the spare, were in the car with the ignition left on, which caused the battery drain. But as soon as the fresh battery was connected, the car locked itself, so before doing anything, make sure you have the keys on you. As far as battery size, you're quite restricted to this length and width to fit the battery tray, so an enhanced flooded battery or even an AGM in the 40 amp hour range should fit here. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.